My name is Ritika Sharma and I will be discussing about the topic, the writ of mandamus, a critical analysis. The introduction of the topic is as follows. The writ refers to the special written orders issued by the higher judicial authority to the lower authorities in order to protect the fundamental rights altogether. A writ petition is an application which is filed before the competent court requesting it to issue specific writ against the violation of fundamental rights. There are writ jurisdiction under two different articles. The Supreme Court has writ jurisdiction under Article 32, whereas High Court has writ jurisdiction under Article 226. There is always a history behind each and every concept. The history behind the writ of mandamus is as follows. The mandamus is the Latin term which has been derived from the English origin, which means we command. The Magna Carta also provided for the directions that the Crown should not deny the justice to anybody. The very first case of mandamus was Middleton case, which happened in 1573. In the case of R. Warren Hastings case, which happened in 1775, the writ of mandamus was being sought to be issued against the Supreme Council of Governor General. Now I will be discussing about the objective and the scope of writ of mandamus. The writ of mandamus has its primary objective to supply the defect of justice itself. In the leading case of State of Mysore versus K. N. Chandrasekhara, it was held that the mandamus is an order which is issued by a court in a public authority asking the same to perform the public duty which has been imposed upon it by the Constitution itself. Now I will be providing the difference between the mandamus and the other writs. Mandamus is one of the 5 types of writs which has been declared different from other 4 writs. The writ of quo warranto is different from mandamus, as in writ of quo warranto, it is important for the person to direct that by what authority he or she is claiming the office. In the writ of prohibition, there is the allowance of it to be issued against the administrative authority, and the certiorari is available to be issued against the judicial and quasi-judicial authority. Now I will be discussing the conditions pertaining to the issuance of the writ of mandamus. First of all, the condition is the legal right and the legal duty which has been imposed upon the individual, which originates the issuance. In the Umakant Saran versus State of Bihar, the very existence of legal right is the major foundation for jurisdiction of a writ. In State of Bombay versus Hospital Mazdoor Sabha, the legal duty must be imposed through any other statute and should not be contractual. It is also issued in the conditions of demand and refusal. In Amrit Lal Beri versus CCE, it was held that if the court is satisfied that there is only an empty or an ideal ceremony, then there is no demand which is required. The writ of mandamus can also be issued in good faith. Now I will be discussing the types of writs of mandamus. First of all, the first type is certiorarified mandamus, which is the amalgamation of certiorari writ and the mandamus writ. The another one is continuing mandamus. In the case of Vineet Narain versus Union of India, and in other several cases, which is majorly of PIL, environmental methods, such methods need to be adopted by the court of the issuance of mandamus. The third type is anticipatory mandamus. Now I will also be discussing about the applicability of the writ of mandamus. Basically, the applicability of writ of mandamus can be done by the person whose fundamental right has been infringed. The writ of mandamus lies against only the government bodies and it does not lie against the private body. Now I will be concluding the entire topic. The mandamus is thereby seen to be the most supplementary means by which the justice can be provided, the substantial justice can be provided. It is also known to be the most popular and the most widely used writ by the aggrieved party. Thus, the prevalence of the remedy under the said writ of mandamus becomes all the more crucial to stay in existence. This is all about the writ of mandamus. Thank you.